morning. So today we are getting the bus to Seoul.
Yeah, so we just come to the intercity station in Seoul. It's not the biggest one, so there are ticket vending machines, but they wouldn't accept any foreign credit cards, so we had to get them from the lady, but that was quite straightforward.
Yeah, but yeah, now I'm going to go to a shop around the corner and see if we can find something to have a snack on, so we've got some backup food. Yeah? So yeah, got an hour to wait for our bus, so I'm just walking to the E-Mart over the road and seeing if we can get some cheap lunch, just because the GS25, which is a different convenience store, didn't have anything when we popped in, so we'll see if there's anything there. If not, it's not too bad. We stop along the way. It's also just to kill some time. Yeah, it's a lovely day. So one slight difference for South Korea is at most crossings you don't actually press the button, because the button is designed for people with kind of disabilities or issues, so it will start going like it's very overreactive. So you just gotta wait until they go, but they do eventually go. See if there's anything in there. So we made it on the bus.
Yeah. Easy again?
Yeah, it's dead easy. Still got endless space so they can stretch out. Yeah, so we're on here for about 2 hours and 10 minutes or so. So we'll stop once along the way. Yeah, all good.
Yeah. See you in Seoul.
See you in Seoul. Have you ever had a bus that's comfy? I could genuinely sleep.
Making the most of having the back row.
Yeah.
So we have made it to Seoul and checked into our last guest house for Korea. So we're at High Guest House in Insadong. Got like a reasonable size room for Seoul.
Yeah.
Bathroom's actually alright. Can stand in there and actually shower. So yeah, we're gonna charge some stuff and then we'll go head out into Insadong as well and check out the rest of the hostel as well, because there's a rooftop and stuff. So yeah. This is the hostel roof. Yeah, nice roof. Cute. Well, if we want to go to that other one, it's up here.
Yeah.
But it's like 13 minutes.
Yeah. know where the fuck we are.
We're at the street. I can't remember the name. Begins
Yeah,
with a
no,
C.
no, you can't give me shit if you don't remember the name. Look at all those chickens. Heckin' good sunset.
Nice. Okay, I've come to Gwangjang Market to try and find some food. Yeah, just got to decide what you want. Different kimchis and pickled stuff. Rib. Mung bean pancakes like we had before. Oh, okay, we've done for a bit now.
일로 가자. 걸어? Yeah, a little bit. 지금 아이폰을
Gold spicy noodles. Gold kimchi.